In this module, we will review data protection for Microsoft 365, which includes Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams. Cove Data Protection offers a backup and recovery service for Microsoft Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. All data are encrypted during the backup process, and the encryption key is stored in the cloud. Cove relies on tenant access to Microsoft 365. To run the backup and restore service, users must have the following account types. Superuser, for the management console to add domains and initiate backups. Security Officer, to perform restores. And a Global Administrator account for Microsoft 365. Cove Data Protection for Microsoft 365 provides up to 7 years of retention, multiple backup sessions per day, restores from a specific data session, restores back to multiple target locations, and restores back to regional storage locations. Additional backup and restore options for Microsoft 365 Exchange and OneDrive include restoring data to an alternate user or different licensed user. This backup and restore option enhances workflow efficiency for MSPs running monthly restore tests for clients, facilitates legal and compliance audits, simplifies employee transitions during onboarding, offboarding, or role changes. For application-specific details, refer to the online documentation.